guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a video, 5 things I like about my RS3. Last video was 5 things I disliked about my RS3. Today we've got 5 things I like about the RS3. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe if you're enjoying the video. Drop a comment if I miss anything. Let's get on with the video now.
Here's a quick pull for you guys. The first thing I love about this car, let's be serious, the main reason people buy an RS3, right, is that 5-cylinder noise. It just sounds so nice. Just can't beat it. Like, it's actually unbeatable, that noise. It's actually one of the best sounding cars out there. Like, you know what? No, this is an exaggeration. Probably top 10, okay? But yeah, the first thing I love about the car is definitely the noise. This is exactly why I love it. Wow. The second thing I want to talk about that I like about this car, or I love about this car, is the tuning capability is amazing on this car. Really, just amazing. You got APR, you got Unitronic, you got IE, which is integrated engineering. You got DS1 support. There's so much just good stuff, and it makes power so easily. Like, you basically got a 10-second car just from a stage 1, the 85, which is crazy to think about. Absolutely crazy. Like, if you want to go stage 3, you're hitting 9.25 miles with the 85, obviously. You're making around 450 kilowatts with a TT 700. Yeah, crazy stuff for a car with so much good drivability. Which brings me on to my third point. The drivability on this car is amazing. When you put it in comfort mode, it feels like you're just in an A3, literally. Doesn't feel like you're on an RS3 with that much power under your foot. As soon as you put it into dynamic mode, which is the sports mode, it opens up. Sounds so good. The valves will open up. Just what a car! What a car for the money, honestly. Yeah, great drivability, absolutely amazing. The fourth thing I want to talk about is the Quattro system on this car. I really like the Quattro system. I've launched it a couple of times, and yeah, it seems to grip up really, really well. Very, very minimal slip. In the wet as well, it seems to do really well with being able to grip. The traction control system is really good as well on it. Yeah, and the Quattro is definitely one of the things I do like about this car a lot. It brings a lot to the car, especially when you've tuned it or anything like that. It helps the car a lot. The fifth thing I want to get onto is the noises that turbo makes. Wow. Once you put an intake on it, this turbo becomes something else. He loves life. He starts to sing. He starts to make all sorts of noises that you don't think that it could ever make. So yeah, definitely get an intake on your RS3, because it makes some pretty cool noises. Yeah, the dose it gives off is just crazy. I was so surprised how loud that turbo really is, especially when it's just sucking in air. It's super loud. Like, if I just do a fourth gear, you might be able to hear it.
Guys, that's the end of the video. 5 things I like about my RS3. If there's anything I missed, drop it in the comments. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. If you didn't enjoy the video, then obviously you don't have to. But if you did, you know to go already. Other than that, more content coming soon. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and take care.